Hello, stamping friends. This is Sandy Reese with StampItCrew.com. I'm an independent Stampin' Up! Demonstrator. Thanks for stopping by today. I have a fun card using the Trekking Along bundle. Now, this is one of our online exclusives, so it's not in any of our print catalogs. I had resisted using this for quite a while because it kept selling out. It was so popular because who doesn't love an adorable truck bundle? But it has been back in stock for a while, and so I finally ordered it, and it's available. So if you haven't purchased this yet, it is currently available. It's good for all year long. We have all kinds of fun things that go in the back of the truck. We've got palm trees with surfboards, presents, plants. We have Christmas trees, flowers, all kinds of great things that you can put in the back of the truck or use in the background like this tall tree. So I'm going to make a Christmas card today, and I'm also using the Joy to Christmas designer paper. This is great paper. It's from the Joy of Christmas suite, which we have beautiful, elegant cards made with this. This specialty paper, very elegant with touches of gold. But this one I really love. I've bought several packs of this. It's got a beautiful kind of leafy floral pattern on some of the sides, but I really love these plaids. So we're going to use this red check pattern today. Okay, we're going to start out with, of course, a red card base because red is my favorite color and the color of all things good. And then I have a couple pieces of white. We're going to put basic white on the front and then a basic white on the inside. I'm going to wait and stamp that before I glue. Always make sure you glue or stamp and then glue, because once you've glued it, I'm trying to put that on the inside. Once you've glued it and something happens with your stamping, that's it. And it's a lot harder to fix. Okay. Now, I've got a piece of red, and I have two pieces of this beautiful plaid paper. So I'm going to put these on the front. Now, all the measurements will be posted on my blog. And I'm going to, I kind of like to lay it out first, so I make sure I get my spacing even where I want it. Okay, and then this one in the middle. So you only need a little bit of that plaid paper, and that just makes all the difference. Okay, that one right there. All right, now I have a 2 3/8 inch circle. So this is our circle punch that we have currently in the catalog. And then I have just a scrap of basic white. We're gonna do our truck on that. And then this is our inside. So let's do a little bit of stamping next. Okay, we're gonna start with our truck. So our truck has an outline image. So I'm going to do this in Memento ink. Okay, I'm gonna do it over to the side so when I go to stamp it, I have a little bit of a handle to hold on to, hopefully. Okay, and now I want to stamp. I'm going to do all my black stamping first. I'm going to stamp. So there's a sentiment. It says, wishing you a festive Christmas. This is our one Christmas sentiment in the set. So what I have done, I've cut it off. I've cut it in half. So I've cut the wishing you a, I cut that off, and then festive Christmas is separate. So the festive Christmas, I'm going to stamp on the inside. Okay. And then on the wishing you a, I've put it on my block and then I have curved it. So it's a straight stamp normally, but I put it on my block and then I kind of bend the edges down a little bit to make it curved. You can do this, especially it works really nice when you have a thin image like this one. So I can bend it to be curved to fit nicely on my circle. Wishing you a, look, it matches the curve. Okay, that's all of our black. Nope, I need my black still. Okay, so that's my stamping on those two. Now I want to add some color to my tires. Now you could absolutely color this. Coloring's not my favorite, as you may know if you've watched my videos, but we have stamps. So we have this tire stamp. And it's usually pretty easy. I'm trying to do this without getting my head in the picture. Pretty easy to line this up. I say that, and then it won't line up well because I'm not leaning over, but that's close enough. Okay, then we're going to do our truck in red. Why that says JK on it, I don't know. I don't know who that came from. So we're going to line up our truck in red. Okay. If my head gets in the way, I apologize. I just want to get this on here straight. Okay, perfect. I don't know why I have such a hard time with that. You know what you can do though? If you have your black Stamp A Right marker, if you don't get it perfect, just color it in. Close enough. Okay, I'm not worried about my hubcaps because we're going to do something with those. All right, let's go ahead and punch this out with our truck punch. I love our punches. This also has lots of pieces so that you can just build your own truck as well. But I like the punching. I like stamping and punching. Okay, now we want to add a Christmas tree to this. So I'm just using Garden Green. And this is two-step stamping. So we have our Christmas tree in outline. I'm just going to stamp that there. I'm going to cut this out so we just need scrap. Then it's got a filler image. So I'm going to stamp that off once to make the inside of our tree a little bit lighter than the outline. Just like that. Isn't that cute? Okay, now we do have to cut this out. There's my scissors buried under all my stuff. I'm leaving a little bit of space at the bottom of my tree to glue this to the back of the bed of my truck. So let's just do a quick cutout of the tree. This side is the hardest of the tree because it's got all the little fun branches. But it really does, it's very small, so it doesn't take much time. Okay, I like to cut out, leave a little bit of white around my edges. It's easier for me to see that a little better. Okay. So I've left a little bit of white so I can adhere this to the back of my truck. All right. Then have it kind of leaning up there. Cute. Okay, now we can do some assembly, or the rest of the assembly. So we'll put this on the inside. And you could stamp a trunk inside too if you wanted. Okay, we're going to adhere this flat to the front. Get that centered. And then let's pop up our truck with some dimensionals. We just need maybe 2 of these. Oh my gosh, that's so cute. Okay, then I'm going to take my Festive Pearls. These come in, we have a lot of colors that they come in. They come in gold, red, kind of this, I don't even know what shade that is. I think it's kind of silvery, but it's more of a greenish silver. And then these bright, shiny silvers. Those might be green. I don't know. And I keep losing all my piercing tools. Okay, I'm going to take these shiny silver ones, and we're going to put these right in our hubcaps. Shiny silver hubcaps. So if our circles aren't quite matched up, that's okay. And that is it. Isn't that cute? I love this. If you wanted, you could do some embossing on the red, but you don't have to. If you're making a ton of Christmas cards, I want it to make it as easy as possible on you. So yeah, super cute. These are very on trend, very in style. So love that truck punch. So just remember, if you spend $50, I'll send you a free embellishment this month. And yeah, I hope you enjoyed today's projects. Online exclusive. I also have a link below to my mailing list if you would like to get my 12 weeks of Christmas each week. And thanks so much, and I will see you all next time. All right, bye-bye.